I arrived early at Expo City Dubai to look for potential content. Right at the entrance, a buggy driver for internal transportation will greet you. You'd have to pay 5 dirhams per person for a drop-off at specific places or attractions such as Al Wasl Plaza, Terra, or Al Forsan Park. There's also an option to hire them for 15 dirhams, approximately $4.08 per person, for a 15-minute ride. They'll take you around the entire facility, and it's up to you where you want to get off for picture taking. The problem is that what I saw was different from what I expected. I know that what was once a temporary venue is now being transformed into a permanent mixed-use urban district with residential, business, cultural, and recreational spaces. But I didn't expect it to still look like this at the moment. It feels as if the place isn't ready for visitors yet, almost like an area that time has passed by. The grass is overgrown in some parts, the trees and plants look dried out, and the establishments are dusty because of nearby construction and ongoing renovations. I don't mean this in a negative way, because I believe that once these projects are completed, the place will eventually regain its vibrancy. So what they're doing now is turning it into a sightseeing spot to show visitors what was once a famous destination. The buggy drivers have essentially become tour guides inside the area, explaining various things about the history of Expo 2020 Dubai. It's also good in a way because new visitors get to learn what the facility used to be and how crowded it was here during the winter season. For people like me who have been in the UAE for quite a while, things like this are no longer new. For your information, after Expo 2020 ended, the site was not dismantled. Instead, it is being transformed into Expo City Dubai, a permanent mixed-use urban district. Unlike a theme park, this is more like a city within a city, combining residential areas, cultural and educational centers, business zones, and recreational spaces. This is what we can look forward to once all the projects are completed. It will truly leave us in awe of its beauty. It feels like my introduction is too long, and I might run out of time for the rest of the video because I'm talking too much. Come on, let's take a closer look around. I'm afraid you might get bored listening to me say nonsense. By the way, the site isn't entirely closed yet. There are still a few attractions open for visitors. You can check their website for all the details. And just to repeat, this isn't my own voice. It's a voiceover. I don't want to speak because my voice sounds like a frog, and I'm not fluent in speaking English.